Hi students, today we are starting with metaphase 1. Last one we have studied prophase 1. It was divided into 5 substages: leptotin, zygotin, phacetin, diplotin and dikinesis. Now metaphase 1. Bivalent chromosome aligned on the equatorial plate. Bivalent chromosome or tetrad chromosome means centromere and 4 tetrads. 4 arms. Bivalent chromosome aligned to the equatorial plate. Microtubules form opposite poles of the spindle attached to the pair of homologous chromosomes which are having similar shape, size, structure. Anaphase, they will separate like mitosis and they will move to opposite pole. Telophase, nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear and cytokinesis follows. Now here you will see this is the nucleus. In what manner chromosomes? Here chromosomes are homologous. Spindle fiber, anaphase, they are separating. Here they are arranging themselves on metaphase plate, and here 2 cells are formed after meiosis 1. Similarly, 2 cells will form after meiosis 2. To total 4 cells will be there and each will be haploid. Now meiosis 2, it is exactly like mitosis only, but here chromosomes are homologous, means these chromosomes are similar in shape, size and structure. Now meiosis 2, as you can see, prophase, here 4 cells are formed. It is late prophase or initiation of metaphase. Anaphase, trying to accumulate, dividing, and 4 cells are formed. So 4 haploid cells. Now interkinesis, stage between 2 meiotic division, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, that is known as interkinesis. Haploid daughter cells, no further replication of DNA. Now meiosis 2, again it is divided into 4 substages: prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. Prophase 2, nuclear membrane disappear, chromosome become compact. Metaphase 2, chromosomes align at the equator. Microtubule from opposite poles of spindle get attached to the kinetochores of sister chromatids. Anaphase 2, simultaneous splitting of centromere of each chromosome. Telophase 2, 2 groups of chromosomes get enclosed by a nuclear envelope. Cytokinesis follows, resulting in the formation of tetrad of the cell, that is 4 haploid cell. Significance of meiosis: formation of gametes, maintenance of chromosomal number. Chromosomal numbers are fixed. Now we are studying difference between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis, it in all body cells including germ cells, it occurs only in germ cells. It is known as equational division. Meiosis known as reductional division, formation of 2 cells, here formation of 4 cells. Each cell is diploid, here each cell is haploid. It involves relatively few changes and here it involves so many changes. Not visible in the prophase, here visible in the process. Does not occur, here synapsis does not occur, crossing over does not occur, chiasmata formation does not occur. These all stages are in meiosis 1. Chromosomes arrange along the equator. Here chromosome arrange equally on the side of the equator in metaphase 1. Each centromere splits into 2. Here centromere does not split. It orient towards the equator while chromatid and towards pole. Here orient towards pole while chromatid orient towards the equator in metaphase 1. Telophase, its result in the formation of 2 daughter nuclei having the same number of chromosomes as that of parent cell. Telophase 2 result in the formation of 2 daughter nuclei each having half the number of chromosomes. And it is followed immediately after karyokinesis. It may or may not occur after karyokinesis. One more time we will see difference. It takes place in all the cells, only in germ cells. Equational division, reductional division, formation of 2 cells, formation of 4 cell. Inverse, relatively few changes. Here series of changes in prophase 1. Prophase 1 is not very clear. Here leptotin stage, leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin, dikinesis, synapses, crossing over, chiasmata formation, all takes place in meiosis. Here does not take place. Each centromere split into 2. Here centromere do not split. Here it orient towards the equator while the chromatid orient towards the pole. Here orient towards pole while chromatid orient towards the equator in metaphase 1. Now telophase, it result in the formation of 2 daughter nuclei having the same number of chromosome as of the parent cell, and here it result in the formation of 2 daughter nuclei each having half the number of chromosome. It follows immediately after karyokinesis. It may or may not occur at the end of first karyokinesis. Now, significance of meiosis: formation of gametes. Gametes are formed, maintenance of chromosomal number. Prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2. Interkinesis we understood well. Meiosis 1, yesterday we have studied. Prophase 1, leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin, dikinesis, then metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.